Hi guys, welcome to my channel and the Fluid Art Express. So you should have started out watching our very special guest today, Hanni Kotting from Hanni Kotting Fluid Art. She's an amazing person, wonderful artist. You should check her out if you haven't done it already. Her link and everything will be in my description, along with everyone else on the Express. After her, Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Art. After her, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. So I had some time and I thought, I miss painting. I miss you guys. I just wanted to do a couple paintings and do a little video. I'm still painting outside, so it's going to be a one-time thing for a while still probably. But I just wanted to throw something together and see what I could do. It's been a while, so hopefully it'll turn out okay. I've got this heart. I've got some colors, which I'll tell you as I put them down. I think I'm going to do a radial. So let's just play some music and see what I can come up with.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no. Tonight, I can tell you don't care. You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things like.
All right, guys, I think it turned out pretty cool. Not too bad for my first try back. I didn't practice or nothing. It's just I threw some paints together and said, okay, this is what we're gonna do. So I'm happy with this. I think I'm gonna do another one, but first I'll bring you down for a close-up on this one. All right, guys, here she is. I think she turned out pretty cool. I can't complain. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Yeah, I don't mind it. I think it turned out pretty decent. So, all right. Not sure what I'm going to do with the next one, but I will be right back and we'll do one more. All right, guys, I am back. I've got a star this time. I didn't think you guys would think it was my channel if I didn't do something purple. So here it is. It is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams, and it is, which one is it? Ismar Purple. It's a beautiful color. So I'm gonna rock with this. Meanwhile, I think I'm gonna do a bloom. Wish me luck, because it's been a while. So I'm gonna throw down some colors and we will see what we can come up with. I'll play some music.
You're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in. Like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. 2 nights and you think you know me now. 2 seconds and I might just throw you out. 'Cause I remember everything you did and everything I became out of like a no. So why are you doing this tonight? You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things like. You're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in. Like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. Always
so it's not my best bloom in the world, but it's not bad either. So I've definitely done worse. I like the colors. Not too bad, I guess, for my first time back in a while for painting. Don't really like that. I'm gonna leave it alone before I screw it up. I will be right back to give you a close-up. All right, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I do think it turned out pretty. The colors are super, super pretty. I love that pink. It's gorgeous. I like it. I hope you guys like it too. You know, I have one more thing out here, and since I might not be painting for a while, I think I'm going to do one more. So bear with me while I just do one more. All right, I will be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. I've put my white pillow paint down, which is Sherwin-Williams. No, it's not. I'm crazy. It's Glidden Premium White and Satin. I don't know. I think I might do another radial swipe. I haven't done one on a white background in a long, long time. So we're just going to try it and see what we can come up with. Meanwhile, I'm going to play some music.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up loving it. Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, let's keep this fire alive. Fire, 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 fire. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need ya, I need ya. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control.
right, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. It's got some really cool cells. I wish it would have came all the way around, but this has got some cool patterns in it. So I'm happy with it. I think it turned out really pretty. So give me just a minute and I will bring you down for a close-up on this one. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think it turned out really super cool. It had some really cool patterns where I didn't get all the cells, but then where I got the cells, and I'll show you up here, it turned out super, super cool. I really like these ones over here. I think those turned out really, really spectacular. All right, guys, well, it's been fun. I miss all you guys. Thank you for joining me. Maybe I'll do another one sometime in the future. If you missed our very special guest, Hanni, please go back and watch her, along with Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Art, and then we have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. So you don't want to miss anybody. Stay tuned and go back and watch if you missed anybody else. All right, guys, I love you. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will just see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Love you.